Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off auto captions on Facebook Reels. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. If you're using an iPhone, it's located at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you tap on it, a menu will expand. From here, select Settings. Now, scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Media. In this section, you'll see various options. Scroll down until you find Closed Captions. Under this, you'll see an option for Automatic Closed Captions. Simply tap the checkbox next to it to turn off auto captions for all your future Reels and videos. Once you turn this off, any new Reels you upload won't show automatic captions to your friends and followers. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.